Jake here for American Muscle, and today I'm taking a look at the C&L Super Sport cross-drilled and slotted front rotors fitting 2011 to 2014 Mustang V6 and standard GT models. No matter what you're doing with your Mustang, be it daily driving, hitting the track, or just bombing down some nice back roads, having more braking power at your disposal is always a good thing. Now, these drilled and slotted rotors from C&L provide you with the performance brake stopping power without the typical performance brake price tag. Cross-drilled and slotted rotors like these make for an excellent upgrade versus your standard solid rotors, and that is mostly because of heat dissipation. Heat is the enemy of braking performance, and these holes and channels on the surface of the rotor help get that heat away from the pads and the face of the rotor itself. So when you apply the brakes, friction and heat build up on the pads and the faces of the rotors. The channels here help direct that heat outwards, while the holes allow for the heat to escape through these central veins. So all of that heat has plenty of places through which to escape, and that gets it off the faces of the rotors and pads as much as possible and as quickly as possible. Getting rid of that heat is going to help stave off brake fade, and that's going to provide you with stronger, more consistent stopping power. So if you're hauling it down the track, hitting your favorite back road, or even just sitting in traffic, repeated stops and brake applications aren't going to affect your braking performance as much as it would with your stock rotors. These are going to give you shorter, more consistent stops from higher speeds. Now, it is worth noting that these again are only the front rotors, and we do have a matching set of rear rotors that I would highly recommend picking up to get a fully matched set front and rear. C&L also offers you matching pads for these, so if you want a really refreshed braking system with even better performance, make sure you check those out on our site as well. Now, these are constructed from CNC machined premium cast iron, so similar in construction to your standard OEM brakes. They're also perfectly mill balanced. It's going to prevent against vibration, noise, and uneven wear. And as you can see, they've got this nice bright zinc electroplating that's going to help prevent against rust and corrosion for a long time to come, so they look good and they perform well for a while too. However, that cast iron construction means that the price stays low. Speaking of which, pricing for this set as you see them here is going to come in at about $175, and that makes them about the least expensive pair of drilled and slotted front rotors for this generation of Mustang. So if you really want to up your braking performance without having to pay the big bills of some of the bigger name performance brake upgrades, these are going to do an excellent job, and they're going to keep your budget intact. Installation will come in at a 2 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and you should expect these to take you about 2 hours to install. Now, swapping brake rotors is a pretty straightforward job, just a little time consuming, and of course you're going to have to remove the calipers and pads to get these on. Regardless, it's definitely a job that you can accomplish at home even if you've never done it before. And to show you just how to get it done, let's head on out to the install bay.
Tools required for this install include impact gun, a caliper hook, an extension, and a 15mm swivel socket. What's up guys? Today we're installing a set of front rotors on our Mustang, so let's get started. So to remove our rotor, first we're gonna have to remove our caliper and caliper bracket. Now since we're just replacing rotors here, we can pull our bracket off with the caliper attached. So I've got a caliper hook here that I'm gonna put up on our spring so that we can hook our caliper to not put any tension on our brake line, and then we can pull our rotor off. So now we can take a 15mm socket and remove these 2 bolts holding in our brake caliper bracket. And once we have our 2 bolts removed, we can slide our caliper off and hook that onto our caliper hook. So now we're ready to remove our rotor. Now if you're lucky, this will just slide right off, but if you do live in a rusty environment, you can use a hammer to get it off. Now I'm using a soft blow here since we're gonna be reusing our rotor, but you can just tap on the back, spin the hub around, tap it all the way around, and it should come free. So now we're ready to install our new rotor. I'm gonna put this backwards onto the hub first so that we can clean the surface. So you can get some brake cleaner and a clean microfiber towel to spray this down and wipe it. And then we'll flip it around. And then we can throw a lug nut on there to hold it onto our hub. So now we can grab our caliper off the hook, slide it over our new rotor, and reinstall our 2 bolts. So now with our bolts hand threaded into place, we can grab our 15mm socket and tighten those down. And then once you're done with that, you can do the same thing on the other side.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the C&L Super Sport cross-drilled and slotted front rotors fitting 2011 to 2014 Mustang V6 and standard GT models. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things Mustang, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.